Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. Yesterday we began exploring the seed sounds or the bija mantra, which bring balance and harmony to each of the energy centers throughout the body, the chakras. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the chakras because you can look that up online. But yesterday we covered the base chakra, which is at the very bottom of underneath our body and connects us to the earth. The colour that goes with that chakra is red. Today I'm going to introduce the sacral chakra, which is the next one up in the body. It's also called the navel chakra, and the colour associated with that chakra is orange. Now before you start making the sounds, make sure that you're sitting comfortably, that your spine is erect and supported by the core muscles. Get yourself a drink of water so that you can hydrate, both before and afterwards. Your vocal cords need water, well, all of your body needs water. Now these sounds are very powerful. They seem very subtle, but they are very powerful. So don't put loads into them, just the gentle making of the sounds is sufficient. Before we start making the sounds, I'm going to just bring you into the here and the now. So having made sure that you're sitting comfortably, that the spine is erect and supported, just begin to bring your awareness to listening. And then once you're listening, then bring your attention to your breath. And before we start making the sounds today, just follow your breath for 3 breaths. You don't have to do anything to it, but just become aware of your breath for 3 inhalations before we start making the sounds. The sound today is VANG. VANG. So it's neither VANG or VANG, but VANG, somewhere in between. So yesterday's sound was lung. When we make the sounds, we'll repeat that twice. And then VANG. We'll introduce a new sound and we'll also make that twice. Now I'm going to be doing rapid repetitions, kind of like this. VANG and VANG and VANG and VANG and VANG. But you can do it much more slowly if you prefer, like this. VANG, VANG, VANG. Whichever sits better with you. Or you may want to start making just the longer single sounds and then begin to make the repetitions. But just play with the sounds. Just the making of the sounds will bring you into the here and now. And also the vibration that you cause will have an effect on your body. It will change things. When we use our voice, we vibrate all the cells in our body, and that brings about change. Okay, so now let's just go into this space where we become aware of listening. And then bring your focus to your breath. And now we'll begin making the sound, beginning with lung. Lung, 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 lung. Lung, 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 lung. And now VANG. VANG, 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 VANG. VANG, 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 VANG. So let's finish today's session by making 3 OMs together. So when you finish making the sounds, try and stay internalized and become aware of the quality of your internal space. And just sit in that internal space for a little while before you kind of return to your day. So if you've stumbled across this video just by chance, thank you for joining me. It's great to have you here. You might want to start at the beginning of the videos where I work through the vowel sounds, because we build each time on the sound made before, and I've chosen a specific order of the sounds to help people kind of get the flow going. So feel free to go back, and especially if you found today's sounds didn't come so easily. So remember, as you go through your day, to find little times to pause and just become aware of where you are, and whether you're actually in the here and the now, or whether you're in your head somewhere else completely. If you do find yourself in your head, just gently bring yourself back to the here and the now. You can use your breath to do that, just by tuning into your breath, you'll come back to the here and the now. Or you can make a sound as an even easier way. If you're making a sound and listening to it, you can't be thinking, so immediately you create that gap. So I hope you've enjoyed today's session. We will be continuing our journey through these seed sounds, and then at the end, when we've made all 7, we will make them all together in a slightly extended version. So thank you very much for joining me. Please like and share and comment. Please let me know how you're getting on, and where you're from. Tell me something about you. I'd love to know. I'd love to get to know the community of people that are joining me to make these sounds. I will be back very soon, hopefully tomorrow. I hope you have a very good day and that you can take a sense of this calm with you through your day. Thank you again for joining me. I feel a huge sense of gratitude for everybody that's watching here, and I feel honoured that you're with me, so thank you. Bye bye for now.